Hi, I'm Brídín and I play the role of Katie in Rossnaroon.
And that's Isha.
Katie?
Hi Dad, Nolly Colna.
She's a bit of a bad girl now. She's a troublemaker and a rascal, and she just doesn't care really. She likes to get her own way and she doesn't really care about anyone else.
Oh well, the plan's Eddie. Tama Fanner, Tamadella.
And Katie came to Rossnaroon because I don't think she was very happy with her circumstances at home.
Well, we really alright. She go hockey for dia grosha. Born again.
Eh?
Yeah.
Her mum had a new fella on the scene and she just wanted to come to Rossnaroon to see her dad and just to shake things up a little bit, I think.
So, hello, Katie.
Katie, being a bad girl, likes the bad boys. And so a bad boy comes to Rossnaroon and catches Katie's eye. It doesn't last very long, I'm afraid, but it's still there, and she definitely has an eye for the boys, I think.
And then you get kosher at oddball, Misha. Take him door, Vava.
I didn't find it bad at all because I'd known Neil from home. I was friends with his sons. So when I came here, it was great to see a familiar face, and he was absolutely brilliant to me. And we would have most of our scenes together, and we just have great crack all together. No, I think myself and Katie are very different now. She wouldn't have the greatest sense of style or hairstyles or anything like that. So I hope I'm not too similar to her. But also she's just so bad. She's absolutely terrible. And I'm not saying that I'm an angel now at all, but she takes it to the next level. I don't think I'd even like to be friends with Katie. I think she'd be a bad influence on me. I think she'd scare me really. But she's absolutely great crack to play. I love the character so much, and it's so fun that I kind of get to be a bit bad now for a while too.
Rinne Katie gar an efgiúil fuútar mágin.
They're my lad, come in the Golgadine Hosher.
Well, that's it from me. I hope you enjoy watching Katie stir up mischief in Rossnaroon as much as I like playing it.